my grandma and my mom, and you guys are gonna watch. Welcome to Cecilia's Magic Show. I'm gonna show you science magic. So first, we need to get our gloves on so our hands don't get messy. Hey guys, our first trick, it's gonna start off really cool. Guys, I have this special science. This is called a science magic kit. If you guys want to do this thing, go buy a science magic kit. Guys, the first up, we're gonna see something. This purple explode. Okay, hold on, let me find the thing about it. Okay, kind of. Oh, I forgot the other glove. Okay, let's get this glove on. Glove. Okay, guys, are you excited to see the first magic trick? Well, that's why we're gonna start now. But before we start, you guys need to like and subscribe.
Go.
Okay,
hold it with me. Hold it. Hold it with me.
Whoa! What's
Whoa! Look at the explosion!
That's
Wow! Did you see that explosion?
Right.
That's cool.
So glad we put it on the tray. Very cool.
Mommy.
Good
That was
holding.
good thinking.
Good job holding the camera.
Does it smell? What does it
Go.
smell like?
It looks
All
like a
right,
giant
guys,
brief.
I did it. Guys, did you think that was so cool? All right, the next experiment I've been working on. Hey, guys. I'm so cool. I remember now. It's reusable sand when you get it wet. Even it's reusable.
Oh, that was a good one.
Okay, guys. So first, let's put the sand. We're gonna need a paper towel for this one because it's when you pour it back. Just you guys will. Hey. Okay. You look what I need. First,
Look at Cece's putting the sand in the water.
and you see when I take it out, it's probably gonna be wet. Like it's gonna be wet.
Right? It looks wet.
Mhm. Do you guys think it's gonna be wet?
Yes, of course.
No.
I do.
My would.
It's gonna be
'Cause you
soaking
already
wet.
saw the-
It's gonna be soaked.
It's got to be soaked. It's in the water.
Yeah, it'll be like wet sand at a beach.
Yeah.
You guys, there's always a little sand at the top. You pour only the water into this. I already did this like 10. I did this so many times. Okay, that's done now, guys. It's wet. Look at it. It's wet, right, guys?
Yes.
So now, when I put it on,
What?
No
What? How?
way.
How is
That's
that dry?
impossible.
No way.
Wow. Can I try feeling it?
yes.
That's crazy.
It's dry. What?
I was right.
You knew, Mila.
Wow.
I love
Good
that.
job.
Okay, guys.
Go.
Bye, Sunshine Kids. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.